I'm breaking my rule of no sign, no video, but it's a 63 Avanti with a supercharger. How can I resist? Look at this. Oh, that's a 289 Studebaker V8. No, it's not a Chevy. It's a 289 Studebaker V8 with the Paxton supercharger. Studebaker was diversifying. I love that battery. It was diversifying. They're getting into all sorts of things. And the Paxton supercharger was just one of the many companies they diversified into. See the three belts? Two belts driving the supercharger. This is so nice. Manual transmission. I gotta show you something here. This is a fiberglass car. Look at this wraparound dash. Before there was a wraparound dash. Is that cool? Controls, manual transmission, and what I always love, the switches are up on the ceiling, on the roof. Is that cool? That's for your lights and heater and air. This is such a cool car. Unfortunately, so it did not save Studebaker, but the design went on as the Avanti II for decades afterwards. That is one gorgeous car. One gorgeous car. Now, I want to capture this 56 Jaguar Mark 7. These things are unbelievable. This is a Jaguar, yes. Over 5,000 pounds worth of Jaguar. This is the problem with all of them. They rotted like mad. But doesn't that look like a Rolls Royce to you? Let me pull back. But with a lot more sex appeal. This was their luxury car. Jaguar did put out sedans, or if you shall, saloon. I'm going to get away from that little Chevy over there, because I've got to show you this. I wonder if the doors are open. Yes! The wood in here is amazing, absolutely amazing. There's a wood dash, full wood panel, covering all of those gauges. Those gauges were actually lit with a black light. There's always lots of wood around the sills. You could just see a little bit of it left. Sunroof came standard. Oh jeez, that was the fender skirt, folks. It's missing the picnic tables in the rear. Wow. My gosh, what a car. What a car. Oh. My bobblehead's going a little bit crazy. There we go. Really neat. I can close the door. I'm going to leave the skirt down just so the next person does not have the same problem. Again, this is a 56 Mark 7. These are the last ones, by the way, which were available with a manual transmission. Pretty cool. It has the XKE double overhead cam 6 under the hood. Well, they're asking $4,450 or best offer.